Hello everyone, and let's talk about the benefits of generative AI pilots with employees leading the charge. Such pilot programs centered around employees are truly foundational to successful adoption. I've seen that in a number of cases where I've helped companies adopt generative AI. Having pilot programs that are employee-led is the key. They align new tools for generative AI with real employee workflows and also with employees becoming active co-creators of technology that breeds employee buy-in and innovation and improves their capacity in AI adoption. So that iterative feedback and engagement is what ensures practical value. Test these tools in these pilot programs in controlled real-world scenarios, safe sandboxes, with employee feedback guiding developer adjustments, ideally with employees themselves becoming part-time makers. Depending on the AI tools, you can do so, especially with agents and copilots that have natural language programming. A little bit harder to do so with automations, but with no-code tools like Power Automate or Zapier, employees can do so as well. So we're not talking about IT employees, we're talking about subject matter experts. I've worked with some claims adjusters, for example, that really did a great job with improving the instructions for a Microsoft Studio Copilot, and they were makers themselves. So these iterative loops with feedback from employees and ideally active participation from them in the tool development minimizes risks and accelerates value. And this diverse input explores and improves a wide range of applications. These pilots also create champions. That participation builds a deep sense of ownership. Employees are moving from mere adoption to active engagement, co-creation, and buy-in. Seeing their feedback and involvement in the final product builds trust, reduces resistance to change, and creates internal champions for the broader rollout. I'll give an example, in addition to the ones from insurance with claims adjusters, with a healthcare intake process where we initiated a pilot. I worked with this company, I consulted for it to initiate a pilot for an AI intake tool where we involved nurses, admin staff, and IT. That feedback led to vital electronic health record integration and improvement in the user interface, which greatly refined and made better the final product. The result was a 40% reduction in patient intake times when the pilot scaled. So the participants became champions who trained their peers. So this is the benefit of pilots, to enable data-driven decision-making and improvements, to improve performance data, not just theory. You want to analyze metrics before costly large-scale deployments from these pilots and make sure that the pilot participants become true champions who support whatever rollout is going to occur. This evidence-based approach minimizes mistakes and ensures the technology is ready before scaling. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wise Decision Maker Show. Please make sure to subscribe wherever you checked out the show and leave a review. It helps other people discover the show and helps us improve the show. And if you have any questions, please email me at gleb, Gleb, at disasteravoidanceexperts.com.